Okay, so in the last video we saw that the arm guards were too big, and so I worked on just cutting it down. And to get rid of the piece that was glued to here, I tried a couple of different things. I tried using a glue or the adhesive remover, but of course, like, the seam was so tight that I couldn't really get underneath to get all the glue over there. So I tried, prying it with a screwdriver. I tried cutting, different sections and then getting them off individually, and that, there was a little bit of results from that, but not too much. So eventually, what I just did is I just took just a Dremel and then basically just ground off that piece once I cut it off. So it definitely is very messy. Be sure to wear some goggles when you're doing this, and do it outside or something like that, where you can clean up all of the little bits afterwards. But yeah, it definitely is messy, but it is the quickest, and it actually is like the best way to take this off without damaging this piece. Because like when I was using the screwdriver or just cutting it up, like there were a couple of parts like I could have damaged this, and we don't want to do that. So I figured if you just ground it off, then that way you'll be able to maintain the return edge. But still, yeah, be careful though, because I actually got that little hole right there. I don't know if you can see it, but that actually came from the Dremel. I wasn't paying it too much attention. I actually went right through, but I don't think that'll be too much of an issue. So anyway, so here we're going to try this again. Let's kind of measure this, get a rough idea of what I want it to do. All right, so right now, I guess I'm not quite too sure of like how much I should give this. Like I don't want to be too tight, but at the same time, like I don't want it to be super loose or anything like that. So I'll just try and get this in a couple of times. All right, so I think what I'll do is I'll just cut a little bit more off of these, and yeah, just glue them on. So that'll be for the next video.